If you'd like to see how I put together these 3 Easter baskets for ages 2, 8, and 13, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so this is going to be a really quick video because I'm trying to make this before my kids wake up. It's so last minute. But I purchased majority of everything you see here from the Dollar Tree. But the toys came from Walmart. And these 2 little poppet change purses came from Amazon. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I have some of the eggs here. We're going to do an Easter egg hunt, so I'm going to fill these up with some candy. And I have some bigger eggs, so I'm hoping that my daughter's favorite candy bars can fit inside of these eggs, and then we'll probably put a couple of dollars in some of these also. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with the basket for my daughter. Okay, so this first basket is for my 8-year-old daughter who's really into Hatchimals. And what I'm doing is just making sure that everything in here fits. Her favorite chocolates are in here, which is the white Hershey's chocolate cookies and cream. And then she loves these little poppets. So she has a poppet change purse. And I didn't know how to get those eggs to stay, so I just taped them, which was amazing. Just the cellophane wrap, laid them together nice and long and taped it because the one I had was only 16 inches. And you would need, like, I guess a 50 or 40 inch to cover all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up carefully. Now this part can be a little tricky, but I think the main thing is making sure that it's long enough. Make sure you can kind of have it come together at the top. I used some tape to make it stay. And then I just kind of pinned the sides that were still hanging to the back, and I think it still looked really nice. As you can see, I have this big old toy thing here. My 2-year-old loves to play in water. So I got her this doll because obviously she can give the doll a bath, do all that nice cool stuff. This is so big, I'm gonna make this the basket. And this will just be the holder for the eggs I'm going to add all of this next to. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this. Now this is the basket for my 2-year-old, and hers came out to be a lot more simpler than I expected. I didn't know exactly how I was gonna work this this little tub here, but I like how the little egg holder was able to be a backdrop, and it sat on there really good. And I just ended up taping the candy to it just so it can have a cuter presentation, and it really did like come together so now I'm very nicely. Really big piece of cellophane wrap and wrap this baby up before they wake up. Hopefully the bunny ears don't fall off. Maybe I'll add a little tape. Again, really long pieces of the cellophane wrap taped together and just kind of, you know, drape it as cute as possible. They're gonna rip it open anyway, but you do want this to be, you know, cute. Basket. I have a 13-year-old son who thinks he's too old for an Easter basket, but I'm going to prove him wrong. So you can just make the basket based on what they like. It doesn't have to be full of toys. He's obviously not into toys, but what he is into is airsoft guns and BB guns. So I purchased him something that he goes to Walmart and buy on the regular anyway. And these are little CO2 cartridges. So this is a big heavy box. It comes with 40 in here. I didn't want him to have a kitty basket, so I have this little basket, this wire basket I purchased from Dollar Tree. I have some BBs. I tried to get to purchase them from, I tried to purchase these from Dick's Sporting Goods, but they don't sell them anymore. I wanted to get the plastic ones, but I think he also has a BB gun that has takes the metal ones. But my plan was to have these big, large BBs. Anyway, they didn't have them. He likes the Kit Kats. And then I got him these targets. So he could set these up in the backyard and he'll have something that he can aim at. So I'm just gonna kind of put this in here and a little bit of candy in his. A couple eggs. I could have left the eggs off, but I'm not. I'm gonna put some blue eggs in his. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just so proud of this basket. I mean, but these little CO2 cartridges were so heavy, I just didn't want this to tip over. But it's small, but it's like straight to the point. You know, it doesn't have to be huge not to be nice, you know? Okay, and just that simple, I have a teenage Easter basket. Just like that. I could have put a couple more eggs in the bottom, but that's enough. And this is very heavy, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some more cellophane wrap and wrap this up, and then I'll be finished. So because this was the smallest basket, I found this one to be the easiest, of course, to go ahead and just drape the cellophane wrap up and then pin it to the back. I didn't have to have too long of a piece. So I thought this one was really nice. If I had some cute little ribbon to tie and have it come down, it would have been nice, but I think it turned out pretty well for what I did have. So I can't wait to give these to them. So I don't know where my husband had all of these $2 bills stashed away, but they came in handy, and I was able to stuff as much candy and money into these eggs as possible to make them exciting and to make them fun. If you don't have singles to put in yours, candy is fine. And if you don't want to use candy, you can put maybe some little miniature toys inside. These eggs are all filled up with candy and money. And again, I'm going to use this little basket filled up with candy and money. I'm just going to put all these eggs inside of this basket. Eggs are going inside of this basket. And just to show you how it looks on the inside of a couple. So these are some really good eggs. I feel like I should have had more, or put less in their baskets, or filled the ones in their basket more. So there's some money. Some only have money. A lot of singles and some $2 bills that my husband gave me to put inside of these. I was able to get, I think, about $2 or $3 in here. So that does conclude this video. We're gonna have like a little Easter egg hunt. I hope you guys enjoy your Easter. Hopefully I'll get this video on Easter. If not, this will come in handy for someone maybe next Easter. But okay, you guys, this is the final result of these 3 Easter baskets for ages 2, 8, and 13. So yes, even if your child is a teenager, if they're grown, I want to keep this going until they're grown. I want to still give them baskets. Like, even if it's hair care products that they like, you know, even if it's their favorite candy, favorite snacks, everybody has something that they like. And as long as you can kind of figure out what it is that people like and just put it in their basket, I think they'll be absolutely grateful. I don't think Easter baskets has to be for little children. You know, you can feel that way if you want and still don't want to do it. I mean, you can make it for an adult and you can put some wine in that bad boy. But I know it is for Easter, so you know, you still want to keep it, I guess, PG. Or this doesn't even have to just go down for Easter. You can do a birthday basket for someone. A basket for any holiday and just cater it to what the person likes. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you did enjoy it. I'm sorry that I didn't get this video on before Easter. That definitely was the plan, but I'm a little last minute, and I hope I wasn't talking too low in the video trying to sneak and make these baskets. I hope you heard me loud and clear. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you want to. If not, thank you so much for stopping by. But if you do subscribe, make sure that you do hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.